we're now in KwaZulu-Natal, driving from Johannesburg to the port city of Durban. We're just about 120 kilometers from Durban, and we're passing a small town called Howick. Howick's famous for a boys' school. This area is famous for a boys' school called Hilton College, and also famous for a university for veterinary doctors, doctors that look after animals. And we're on the main highway. It's very busy because it's the start of the Easter holidays. So there's lots of people going down to the ocean, to the sea, for their holiday. And anyway, that's what I can tell you now. We've just passed a very big dam full of water, a lot of water, which is good news for the farmers because that's what this area is, mainly farming land. Okay, I'll update you later. Bye-bye. Good luck.
3.
Okay, and now here we are back again. So, and then now we've managed to travel a little bit further. As you can see, there's a lot of roadworks going on around here. We're taking the off-ramp. We're going to drive up through to Hilton. And I'm going to show Kantamali, the house that my mother and father used to have. So we're going to go and do that for fun because I would like to go and look at it. I haven't seen it for many years. And the other thing in Hilton is all of these areas, they have some pretty famous schools. So as I said, there was a boys' school down here in Howick, and in Hilton there's a girls' school called, I think it's called Grey College for girls. It's also a big area where old people, when they finish their work and they want to retire, they come and live in this area around Hilton. So there's a lot of old age homes, they call them, or retirement villages, and you see those all over here. The climate's good. It's not as hot as by the coast and not as cold as in Johannesburg. So for older people, it's good. Thank God I'm not old, so I don't know anything about that. Yes. So here we go, we're still on this windy road heading into the area. If you look on the right hand side here, the big mountains again. It's beautiful, beautiful countryside. This really is lovely. Typical of South Africa all over. It's very lovely countryside and very different. If you're in Cape Town, it's different. When you're in Durban, it's different. When you're in Johannesburg, it's different, but it's all beautiful. So that's how it works. We're almost there now. And this little area around here, as I say, it's called Hilton, and it is very popular with the older people. Very twisty road, but Look how green it all is. Lovely and green, beautiful trees. Very beautiful. I love coming around here. So as I said, I want quickly just to go and look at the house my mother and father used to live in. There's a hotel across the road there. This one here, and it's called Crossways. And many years ago, my father and I, we were thinking of buying that hotel and running it as a business. And one thing and another, we didn't do it in the end. I'm not quite sure why, but we had a lot of good ideas, I think, about things like that. Okay, bye-bye. I'll update you again as soon as I see something worth updating. Okay, thank you.